Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the new Xiaomi Redmi S2. S2 was launched in China on Thursday. The company's first smartphone is Redmi S-Series. The biggest highlight of Redmi S2 is its front-facing camera, which sports a 16-megapixel sensor with 2 micron pixels. This has been combined with AI-based beautification features makes it the best Redmi cell phone ever. So friends, the company has said the other highlights include a dual rear camera setup, an 18:9 display, iPhone style antenna lines, the CIO AI voice assistant, probably a voice assistant like Siri, a face unlock feature, and the Snapdragon 625 at its price point. The Redmi S2 was launched in China. Xiaomi Redmi S2 price starts on roughly around our Indian rupees 10,600 for the 3GB RAM and 32GB inbuilt storage variant, and goes up to roughly 13,700 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt storage variant. So you guys will be getting two variants, 3GB and 4GB one. It will go on sale on at 10 a.m. Chinese time on May 17. It will be available in champagne gold, platinum silver and rose gold color variants. Let's talk about some of the specifications. It has dual SIM, runs MIU and 9 based on Android. It sports a 5.99 inch HD pixels display with a 70.8% NTSC color gamut, and Redmi S2 is powered by Snapdragon, which I already told, and the company is touting an f2.2 aperture, PDF autofocus and LED apart from an AI portrait mode, HDR and facial recognition. The front camera bears a 16-megapixel sensor with 2 micron pixels, combining 4 pixels into one single oversized pixel. The front camera offers AI portrait mode, AI smart beauty, front HDR and face unlock with face recognition. S2 will be available in two inbuilt storage variants, that is 32 and 64GB. Both of which you can add a micro SD card which can support up to 256GB, and healthy ports, that is for Geo and all this stuff, and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, all normal. Only the headphone jack and micro USB port sensors on built include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, digital compass, gyroscope. These are all the usual stuff which we get in a smartphone. And its battery is of 3080 mAh and phone weight around 170 grams. So friends, I hope you liked this video. So much for watching my videos. Keep sharing, subscribing my channel. Thank you so much.